Fun and rewarding. Are you looking to buy an aquarium for your family? Owning an aquarium can be a really fun, rewarding experience while providing many wellness benefits. Dazzling colors. Energy-efficient LED lighting with 7 dazzling color selections to brightly illuminate your fish. Choose daylight white, blue, green, amber, aqua, purple, or red depending on the time of day or your viewing pleasure. Complete filtration. Powerful internal power filter cleans and purifies aquarium water at a flow rate of 45 gallons per hour, effectively removing fish waste and debris. Uses Koller Products S replacement filter cartridges, AQ10FC60, available on Amazon. Impact-resistant construction. Manufactured of impact-resistant plastic with crystal clear clarity so good that most think it is made of glass, providing leak-proof confidence. Built-in light timer. Set your LED light to come on at the same time every day. Select light settings of 4 hours, 8 hours, or continuous on, easily with a flick of your finger. Top reviews from the United States. Great fish tank for kids. Great little tank for kids. This was my daughter's birthday present for her 7th birthday. She really wanted a betta fish, so this was the perfect size for what we needed. She also put 4 little guppies in there. The tank accommodates all 5 fish perfectly and looks really cool with the changing LED lights. I will probably be ordering a second one for our other child.